What do you think are the main sources of water in Colombia and how can they be affected by climate change?
The main sources of water in Colombia include rivers, lakes, and aquifers. Climate change can affect these sources by altering precipitation patterns, increasing the frequency and severity of droughts and floods, and contribution to the melting of glaciers, which impact river floods. So, what is your opinion?
I believe that the main source of water in the country are rivers, lakes, oceans, and others. Climate change might be affecting them since in some places they may drain or due to the large increase in temperature, also having consequences for the people or animals that depend on these water sources. In what way do you think we are contributing as a society to take deterioration of natural resources?
As a society, we contribute to the deterioration of natural resources through deforestation, pollution, overuse of water resources, and unsustainable agriculture and industrial practice. These activities lead to habitat destruction, water contamination, and development of essential resources. What are you think your this situation?
I believe that with water pollution, the use of fertilizer wasting water when using it on different occasions, such as in the bathroom, in deforestation, and in the excess garbage that is generated. What do you think the current stage of water and natural resources in Colombia is like?
The current state of water and natural resource in Colombia is concerning. While Colombia is rich in biodiversity and water resource, these are under 3 for pollution, deforestation, mining activities, and inadequate management. And many regions face water scarcity and the great ecosystem. And you, what is your opinion?
I believe that the current stage on water as well as natural resources in Colombia present great challenge in issues such as their availability, quality, and conservation. What do you think could be some action we could take to reduce this negative impact?
Action to reduce negative impact include promotion sustainable agriculture practice, enhancing waste management system reforestation, protecting natural habitats, and raising public awareness about two important of conservation. Additional enforcing stricter environmental regulation can help us natural resource.
I think we could start separation garbage into different containers. So we could also reduce things, use less plastic in bags and bottles to rough the water flows when they are not being used as we as light bulbs and appliances.
Individuals can combat by climate change by reducing energy consumption, using public transportation, recycling, support renewable energy source, and reducing meat consumption as livestock farming significantly contributes to greenhouse gas
What
emission.
do you think might be the responsibility that Colombia companies have in the management of water and other natural resources?
Colombian companies have the responsibility to adopt sustainable practice, minimize pollution, efficiency, use water and other resources, and invest in environmental protection in activities. They should also comply with environmental laws and contribute to the conservation of ecosystem.
I believe that companies have the responsibility to adopt sustainable management practices that minimize the impact of water and other natural resources. while contributing to the economy and social development of Colombia in a responsibility and sustainable manner.
Okay, and other question is how does climate change affect biodiversity?
Diversity is affected by climate change because many fires occur due to increase to temperature, causing some animals to migrate to other places that are not so safe for them, and sometimes even causing the extinction of some species. And what do you think?
In my opinion, climate change affects biodiversity by altering habitat, causing space migration, and increasing the risk of extinction for many species. You need to adapt to rapid change in temperature and environmental. Why it is important to reduce our carbon footprint?
Reducing our carbon footprint in the environment can make those small changes such as using public transportation, of turning off the water faucets and turning off the lights when they are not in use can cause more people to start doing this same action and achieve a positive impact on society. And what do you think about this?
In my opinion, reducing our carbon footprint is important to slow down global warming, minimize extreme weather events, protect ecosystems, and ensure a healthier planet for future generations. And finally, question is what role do renewable energy sources play in mitigation climate change?
Renewable energy sources are a great aid to meet climate change. Some you are using elements of natural sources of water, the sun, and the wind. They do not generate pollution such as electric lights. In this way, it does not have a negative impact on the environment. Do you want to add something else?
In my opinion, renewable energy sources like solar and wind power play a crucial role in mitigation climate change by reducing reliance on fossil fuels, which are major contribution to greenhouse gases emission, and using renewable energy helps lower carbon emission and promotion a cleaner environmental.